Hello, my dear children. Very good morning. You're most welcome in class 12th accountancy. I, R. Tripathi from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur, as accountancy teacher, just going to explain the NPOs. I mean to say, not for profit making organization. The financial statement. We are on the topic of preparing the income and expenditure account, balance sheet of the information given regarding question number 31. In previous video, just the series of video, you have seen the income and expenditure account. And for the particular information, Maharaja Agrasen Club, we are going to prepare the balance sheet, whatever the information given in the question. So first we have to calculate the capital fund by preparing the opening balance sheet. Just this way. Opening balance sheet. This is the amount column. Draw the format. Opening balance sheet. All the assets of opening at the beginning of the year. Liabilities. Amount column. Assets. Amount. Just opening balance sheet, whatever the information given in the question, we have to sort out that one. Just you can see the assets on 1/4/2020. Balance sheet 1/4/2020. Land and building 1,50,000. Just we can write this way: land and building, land and building 1,50,000. Then stock of food stuff, stock of food stuffs. The club has 2,200. Stock of postage stamp, stock of postage, that is 800. Subscription, outstanding subscription 2,400. Previous year subscription, outstanding subscription, that is 2,400. Cash in receipt and payment account you can find 6,800. 6,800. And rest of the things not given, other information you can find in other information, whatever the stocks and assets given in the information, just we have to put in assets column, then we can find the total 0, 0, 2, 6, 1,62,200. That is the total of the assets column. That will be the total of the assets column. And the balancing figure we can find the capital fund. That is the capital fund. We can see 1,62,200. 1,62,200. This one is the capital fund. Then after the current balance sheet, we have to prepare that one. This way, just here we can draw the column of balance sheet at the end of the year. That is the amount column. Just we can see this way. In previous video you have seen the income and expenditure account, and in this video you can find the balance sheet of the particular question. Balance sheet of the particular question. Balance sheet of Maharaja Agrasen Club as at 31st 3 and 21. That is liabilities. And this one is the amount, assets, amount. See, just whatever the capital fund calculated, capital fund 1,62,200 calculated over here by preparing the opening balance sheet, and we can write over here 1,62,200, and then we have to add the surplus that is given 68,800. Now a little bit of working note, the information given by law of the club, 20% of the surplus of any year are to be transferred to reserve fund. So we have to create the reserve fund. Just we can write over here reserve fund and add surplus, surplus, just a little bit of working note required over here, 68,000. Suppose that here we can see 68,800 into 20 upon 100. 20% of this one, 0, 0, 0, 0. We can write over here 0, 2 8 is 16, 30,760 as reserve fund. Just we can write over here reserve fund, 30,760, and then after the surplus will be minus 30,760, 0, 4, 0, 55,040. Just that will be the surplus, at surplus 55,040 means 13,760 will be deducted from the total surplus 68,800. 0, 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. Here 7 remaining, 7 minus 7 is equal to 0, 8 minus 3 is equal to 5, 6 minus 1 is equal to 5, 55,040. And the capital fund will be 2, 7, 1, 2. 2,17,240. The capital fund will be. Then sale of foodstuffs and other item given, and the subscription, advance subscription not given. On 30, stock of food stuff was 3,000 and unused postage stamp, reserve fund, and then total will be just we can total here. And now come to the point of the assets, land and building, land and building. In assets column 1,50,000, land and building. Then cash balance, cash. In payment column you can see whatever the items purchased, cash, that is given 15,200, 15,200. Then after furniture, furniture purchase 25,000. The in payment column that is given. Now you can see your book. you can find the items furniture, salary, books, that is given 41,500. 41,500. Newspaper, rent, trade, Sunday expense, traveling, renting of souvenir, traveling expenses, Sunday expenses, and other types of the items given. So, stock of foodstuffs, stock of foodstuffs, stock of foodstuffs, that is given 3,800. Then after this one is the stock of foodstuffs, unused postage, that is given unused postage, given 600. And then after the outstanding subscription, that is given 3,500. 3,500. And the bylaws of the club provide that 60% of the entrance fee and 20% of the surplus of any year to be transferred to reserve fund. Reserve fund, just the entrance, just we can write over here. Reserve fund will be, the amount of reserve fund will be that is surplus 13,760 and entrance fee. Add entrance fee, 60% of entrance fee. Entrance fee given 15,000. 15,000 of 60%. 15,000 into 60 upon 100. 9,000. That will be 9,000 plus total reserve fund will be 22,760. 22,760. And go through the information that is given. Other information: building, stock of foodstuffs and unused postage, subscription, also adjusted in the balance sheet. The total will be zero to 0 4 2,40,000. Total will be 2,40,000. Now dear children, this is the current balance sheet and previous balance sheet. You can see after calculating the opening fund of capital and whatever the amount transferred to the reserve fund from the surplus and from the entrance fee, just the reserve fund and capital fund by adding surplus 2,70,240 and total of the surplus and entrance fee that will be transferred to the reserve fund 22,760. And then after land, the value of the land and building in additional information given, cash given, furniture given, books, stock of foodstuffs, unused postage and outstanding subscriptions. The total will be 2,40,000 matched. The question finished. This is the way of preparing the financial statement of NPOs, not for profit making organization, how the income and expenditure account prepared and how the balance sheet is prepared. Thank you very much. Keep on watching, my dear.